Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the C programming. Topic is flowchart. That is, in the chapter 1 we studied about the algorithm. Here in the chapter 2 we'll study about the flowcharts. So we'll see what is the definition of the flowchart. So the diagram in flowchart, I'll just write. It's a pictorial representation of an algorithm. Flowchart is defined as diagrammatic or that is a picture form of a algorithm. Diagrammatic, pictorial, or I'll write here pictorial means it is a picture of an algorithm. That's all. We are representing the algorithm in this picture form or a geometrical figure form. So it's also, or we can write or visual or graphical representation of an algorithm. So what is a flowchart? It is defined as a diagrammatic or pictorial or visual or graphical representation of an algorithm. So we'll study what are the symbols or the geometrical figures are used. First is, so we'll see first what is the name of the geometrical figures or symbols used. For example, we'll take first one as, see, this is a, it's not visible here, I'll write in this. So this represents a oval shape. So name of the shape means oval. So this is oval and this is geometrical figure name is oval job, and its function is, what's it function means, it is used for starting the program and ending, start comma stop. So in the flowchart it is used to write the start statement. It is like this. So oval symbol or is a geometrical figure. So next we'll see the second one. This is shape is oval. So next one is this one. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram used for, shape is parallelogram and it is used for, that is function is used to read and write or read and print or input and output. In writing the input and output statements. So this is the parallelogram. Next we move on to this one, that is, this is a rectangle. So now the shape is rectangle. This is a shape, this is function. And this is the, okay, this one is rectangle, this one so this is used to write down the formulas or any processing done in this. Therefore, function is processing. So the geometrical figure is rectangle and function is processing. Means all the formulas are written down in this rectangle. So next is this one, diamond shape. So diamond shape, so this is the shape, diamond shape, and function is decision making. Function is decision making. Means true or false. Decision making. So I'll explain each when we come across the detailed study of these decision making functions, arrays, so etc. Next is these arrows. This indicates these are the arrows here. So arrows used, these are arrows that comes under shapes, and this is used for connections. Function is connections. So connections in the flowchart. So next is, last one is hexagon. This is an hexagon. The shape is hexagon. This comes under shape. Then function, looping. So this function is looping or repeating. Repetition. All these concepts I will explain while this topic comes. This is repeating, that is looping, for loop, everything will come under this. Then it will be very easy to understand. So these are all the diagrammatic or pictures or the diagrammatic shapes used in the flowcharts. So next we move on to the some of the examples regarding the flowchart. So as we return, many algorithms in the previous class. So flowchart examples. So for this one, first example we'll take. So the question will be in this form: draw a flowchart to read and write a word. Read and print a word hello. Word hello. So we have to read this word hello and print it. So for this, how to write the flowchart? We'll start with. So we finished writing this one. See. So for beginning the flowchart, we have to write start. Then we have to read the given word, that is hello. Then we have to print the given word. So last one is stop. So this is the procedure to write. So here I'll write the start, then this connection arrow is required because this goes in this way. So read the word hello, read hello. Next, print or write, print hello. Last is stop. Read the given word, print the given word, and stop. This is the flowchart for the example for reading and writing a word. Second one, draw a flowchart to sum two numbers. To sum two numbers. So we'll start. So I'll take this. The first statement is start, then reading the numbers A and B, then printing the sum, calculating the sum here, printing the sum, and stop the flowchart. So connection here is in this form. So we'll write this. Start, then read AB, then we'll calculate the sum is equal to A plus B, then print sum, last step is stop. So this is to calculate the, or this is the adding to numbers, flowchart to add to numbers. Then we move on to the next one, that is flowchart examples. So we move on to the third one. So third one is write a flowchart to find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle. So we have wrote all the algorithm in the previous class. So next, now we'll start the flowchart. So first step is what? Start, then read radius. Next is calculate area, that is processing, then print area, then stop the flowchart. So we'll write start, then read, or then calculate area is equal to pi into r square. So print area, then stop. So this is the flowchart to find the area of the circle. Now next, fourth one, draw or draw or write. Draw a flowchart. Flowchart to find the area of the triangle. The area of a triangle given all three sides. Three sides. So next is, so we'll start the flowchart. So this is start. Next is read ABC, since it's area of the triangle, so we have to read ABC. Then calculate S. So this is the decision making, calculate S. Then calculate area. Calculate area. Then print area. Print area. Then stop. So first step is start. Then this one is read ABC. Next is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Then area is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Therefore next is print area and stop. So this is calculating the area of the triangle given three sides. So next one, so we move on to the last example in our class. Draw flowchart. Draw a flowchart to find largest of three numbers. Largest of three numbers. This is the fifth problem or the fifth example. So we'll see. Largest of three numbers. So first step is start, then read ABC, then we have to use one decision making statement here. So I'll explain. Next, so better you use scale while drawing the flowchart. This will be uniform and neat. Two decision statements and they should connect here. Next, all should come in the same line. So here three print statements, 1, 2, because we are finding the largest of three numbers. So last step, connect all together and a stop statement. So this is the flowchart. So here see, this is the connection, and here this comes like this, again here. So we'll explain the contents here. Largest of three numbers, we'll write start. This is just an example. While we study all these decision making statements, we'll study in detail. Read PQR. I'm taking 3 variables or 3 numbers PQR. Then is will write is P greater than Q. So a question mark is written here. Yes means it will become true. Yes means true. Then here it comes again. We'll see P greater than R. P greater than R. Again, one mistake here I have made. Just write this. This is not correct. So here also same thing. They should come from here. Then this is correct. So is P greater than Q? Yes means true. It comes here. Then again one more check is there. True. That is P greater than. Again if it's greater than or, then it is true means we'll print P is largest. Inside I'll write here P is largest. So to first start, read P, Q, R. Then we'll find out, or we'll just see P is greater than Q. It's true means it comes here. Is P greater than R? Then print P is largest. Else it will be false. This side false it comes, and here we have to ask that Q is greater than R. Is Q is greater than R? Then if it's true, it comes here, that is Q is largest. Print Q is largest. Otherwise, if it's false, then print R is largest. Last statement is stop. So after each condition there is only, we have to calculate out of 3 numbers which is the largest. After each largest statement it comes to stop. So all the connection ends here. Once again I'll explain. Start the problem, read the variable PQR. If it's true, P is greater than is, P is greater than true, this condition is true, it comes here. Then is again it will check if P is greater than R, then P is largest. If it's false, then it comes here, checks Q is greater than R. Then if it's true, it prints Q is largest. If it's false means it prints R is largest. Last is stop. So this is for the decision making statement. We'll study detail when we study the particular topics. So this completes the second chapter, that is the flowchart. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.